Investors in cryptocurrency are seeing record-breaking numbers. I'm Michaela Chavez, your neighborhood news reporter. Many believe the future is in crypto. But what does that mean for the average person? First, let's talk about Bitcoin. What is it?
Bitcoin is a peerless electronic cash payment system.
Right now, more than 200 major companies accept it as currency, including Starbucks, Whole Foods, and Amazon. In 2010, one Bitcoin cost just a few cents. Now, it costs more than $93,000. I spoke with Demetrius Quitmos, a finance professor with Texas A&M Corpus Christi, with why the value of crypto may be rising. Number one
is that President-elect Trump is expected to take a more deregulatory stance toward the crypto industry.
Number two,
crypto industry has invested heavily in lobbying efforts to have a more pro-crypto friendly US government.
And number three,
inflation is a real problem for everyone. And this is driving investors to look for alternative forms for preserving their wealth.
Despite these reasons, some are still skeptical about crypto.
It's like sort of a Ponzi scheme. I don't really do the stock market and all that stuff because I believe that it's not dependable and stable.
I just don't feel like I have enough information and enough security to make that risk to invest in it because it's not a guaranteed return on investment. So I don't know if it's the wisest thing for me to do it right now.
And for many, they might just not have the means.
We don't care about Bitcoin or any type of cryptocurrency. I'm just trying to get enough money to eat food on the table and not have to worry about what needs to be paid first.
Quitmos says he believes if the market experiences a recession like it did in 2008, Bitcoin's price will also drop. If that price drops, others say they might give it another go.
Ended up pulling out after I lost the money. That's kind of why I stopped investing. Maybe in the future I'll do it again when it drops down.
But when you look at what direction crypto's headed in, Quitmos says it comes down to one question.
It's hard to say exactly, and I actually caution listeners not to believe too much of one side or another. You have to ask yourself, are you willing to take the risk?
Experts say cryptocurrency is expected to keep growing, passing $100,000 by the end of the year. Some experts say the big crypto boom, which investors are calling the crypto bull run, is expected to hit sometime in the spring. In the studio, I'm Michaela Chavez, Chris Sunrise.